Just in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we cheat, the distractions I repeat. I rub with the night with it. To what we be and the shit we pull up them hairstyles on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever we do, nobody else can see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things we put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
What? Bingy? Girl, you're crazy. What would make you think that?
Sound quiet. You can tell me the truth. Susie don't have to know. It can be our secret.
Natasha, I am not pregnant for Bingy. Please leave it alone. By the way, who are your baby father?
Know yourself about that. Just make sure you no Bingy a breed for, cause that would have be your worst mistake.
It look like me mash your can. A Bingy a breed for girl.
Oh, me? Remember Susie and my best friend, girl? Me not take my best friend, man. Like you.
Only God can come down here so and tell me say I no Bingy you a breed for.
You know what? Make me let you so. I just lose my appetite. Plus, I don't want this your Keisha. You know, so my face a Bingy that girl they a breed for though. Boy, me I tell you, Bingy is a real piece of shit, you know. Now get down to the bottom of this.
Natasha have something to hide. How she react when me call Bingy name was not normal. Me need to investigate this.
I wonder if telling Susie about Keisha and Natasha are the best thing to do.
Bingy, why you talk to yourself? You're mad now. Where are the kids? Them eat already?
My good man, I just give them something to eat. I just give them bread and butter and cornflakes.
Well, that will keep them till lunchtime. Me tired. Me I go lie down. Me I tell you, me get the promotion and me I tell you say promotion come with a whole heap of hours. God, me I tell you, me never know say getting promotion that be so hard. You work hard, man. Me want to go lie down. Bingy, me tired like a dog.
Susie, I need to talk to you about something important.
Okay, Bingy, we can talk before me go sleep. Although me so tired. Me tired, bad man.
No man, we can talk later. Me go on the road for a minute.
Walk one, Barry. A long time I not see you. A which breeze blow you so? Bingy no there here still.
What a man love road. Me really don't know why you there with him so long.
Chaman, a son of man stay. You know enough man no like snug in a house. As daylight then gone.
Not me. If I was your man, you'd have cared to see me face. A sexy, beautiful woman like you. Bingy don't know what him have.
Barry, you come at a bad time. Me kinda busy and now you know. Me will tell Bingy say you call. But why you never call Bingy on him phone? You have him phone on him all the time.
Nothing really. Me did kinda want to see you too.
Me? Really? Why you want to see me?
I chose say not a sharp breed. Words a go round and say a Bingy breed are.
No, sir. A lot of people I tell. Them the two they hate in one another like puss and dog. Me never see two people hate in one another so like Bingy and Natasha.
Some puss and dog turn friend. You never see puss and dog a ramp yet. All me I say, keep your eyes open. And don't call me name to nobody. Say, please. Don't be afraid to call me. We can go out as friends. Me not pushing nobody, only if you want me to.
Later, Barry. I know Tom Fool day yet. You have to come back April 1st. Anyway, me I go cook Bingy and me pitney them dinner, so we will talk one next time. Me say them your money are no easy, you know. Not even them friend, woman, they not even respect. And look how the boy I go time we if you go tell life and Bingy say Bingy breed Natasha just forget some of my front. No sir. Bingy and the boy they not fit be friend. No, they too lie and wicked. No sir, me have to go tell Bingy this. Jesus Christ, how will remain a calm if I man can't give me a break, Lord God. How will me go put myself in a hello Romain! How are you?
I'm good, Ann. I'm here on the computer looking at tickets.
Ticket for what, Romain?
Tickets to come to Jamaica. Which time is best for you? I don't want to come and can't get to see you every day like the last time.
Romain, I'm not saying that I don't want to see you, but you were in Jamaica just a few weeks ago, so me kind of surprised you say I buy ticket to come back right here now.
But it's kind of different now, Susie. You're pregnant. I want to come to Jamaica at least once a month until the baby's born.
But there's no reason if you come Jamaica now, Romain. My belly not even start show yet.
I need to come to the doctor's appointment. I want to see the ultrasound. I want to hear the baby's heartbeat.
But Romain, even that, the doctor did not go allow you if you come in at the doctor's office. Because of the coronavirus, and me alone can't go in. Nobody else can come in there with me. So you come into Jamaica for see ultrasound. It kind of waste of time and waste of plane fare and then something. Then the baby nobody waste your money.
Susie, why are you making this look so difficult? The doctor can take a picture and you can show it to me when you get out of the doctor's office. Susie, I want to be there every step of the way for my child. And I want to start from ease in your belly.
All right, Romain. Jesus Christ, made that happen. Me can't take no stress now upon my pregnancy. Yeah, me I'll call you back and tell you when me free so you can go ahead and book your ticket. Me soon call you back.
Well, man, Susie, I'm glad you called. I have something to tell you.
Natasha, leave that alone for one other time. Me have bigger problem, you know. Natasha, me want you to do something for me. All the picture them where you take for ultrasound, me want you send them to me on my WhatsApp right now. Send them now. It is an emergency. From the first ultrasound, all of them, just send them to me, please.